So as we know, Clad Possible has created history this year by coming up with All India rank 1 in both CLAT and ALED. So we have just beaten our own record. Last year we sent around 350 students. This year we're almost on the verge of sending more than 400 students to different NA groups. Here today I have with me Akash Jain, who is All India topper CLAT 2015. He's our student, CLAT Possible student, and today we're going to talk to him about his strategy in the CLAT paper, how he prepared, what sort of resources did he refer to. So we'll begin this interview by asking and putting forth all these questions to Akash. Akash, why don't you first introduce yourself? आप कहाँ से हैं, कहाँ से पढ़े, CLAT आपको कैसे आया कि आप CLAT का एग्जाम लिखेंगे?
I am Akash. I am Akash. I have completed my class 10 from Polaris Public Secondary School. I secured 9.6 CGPA in class 10. I completed my 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya Shivpuri. I secured 96 percentage in class 12. After that, after 11th, I had special interest in my mind towards law. Actually, I used to see debates daily on the news channels, and after that, I thought that I was attracted towards it. So that's why I think that law was a particular best career option for me. So I opted for law as a career option. After that, I searched the details of law colleges. I found that National Law University's students, and I talked to them, as I found that few of them were my relatives. I talked to them and then found that it was one of the best career options present in the country today. And law as a career is a newly emerging field, what I think is. And not only you can become lawyer after graduating law, there are various diverse options that you can choose from.
Thank you so much, Akash. So, as Akash very clearly puts it through, that right from his class 10th and 11th, he was interested in law as a career option, and for that, he used to watch news channels, watch debates. Now, of course, we would like to now ask Akash that what were the small things that he did right from class 10th and 11th, apart from, of course, watching debates on news channels that helped him crack the GK section of the CLAT examination. We also have with us Mr. Sanjay Singh, who's the Chief Academic Officer and is in charge of GK at CLAT Possible. So, Akash, could you also tell us what other or what apart from watching news channels and debates you did to prepare for GK and how exactly it helped you in the CLAT paper?
Truly speaking, I did not prepare for CLAT till class 12. It was only after class 12 exams that I started preparing for CLAT. I enrolled for crash course program at CP Bhopal. I secured 590 rank, but I was not satisfied with the college awarded to me.
Yes, sir.
As Akash already told us that he had enrolled with CP already for the crash course and he secured an All India rank of 590, but he was not satisfied with his rank, so he came to us to get himself enrolled with the 1 year Breeze or the flagship Breeze course for CP at CP. Now, Akash, could you tell us, the approach towards different subjects and how exactly you prepared? What was the preparation strategy?
I used to follow 80-20 rule. I used to follow 80-20 rule. 80 percentage I studied new and 20 percentage I revised what I had studied. For English, I was poor in English. Frankly speaking, I read a book of CAT on English of Arihant Publications and completed Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. I found them very helpful. Then I solved the previous year papers of CLAT and I found that almost 90 percentage of the questions of vocabulary and other things were from Word Power. For GK, I studied from online portals and I think the material of CP for GK is best across the nation. You cannot find better material than this. Almost I think almost every question of CLAT was from material of CP this year and of ALET too. From 35 questions, about 32 to 33 questions were from CLAT Possible this year. So I think the material at CP is best. If you complete the material of CP, you can be tension free for GK. For maths, I was good at maths, so I practiced RS Agrawal only once. I was good at analytical reasoning, so I solved analytical reasoning RS Agrawal only once, and I used to practice critical reasoning a lot. For that, I too only refer to the material of CP. the material of CP for critical listening provides best explanation for the answers. It provides not only the answer option but also the explanation and tricks to solve the question. So I think that is the best. And for legal, I don't think so that a student needs to study legal. Only help solving past year papers would help them crack legal easily. Past year papers of NLSIU, NALSAR and various different colleges, and past year papers of CLAT and ALET.
Okay, so thank you so much, Akash. Akash told us that how exactly almost 90% of the questions in the GK section, thanks to Sanjay sir, were from the material or the compendiums that he had compiled, and he's very thankful to the team at CLAT Possible for the wonderful course material that we provided him. So, lastly, Akash, of course, what do you aspire to become after you complete your law degree?
Not yet decided. Actually, what I have heard from various my seniors of different NLUs that they every year they change their what they aspire to become. So for this reason, I have not yet decided that what I would be after 5 years.
Thank you, Akash. The last question, Akash, what would you like to tell other students who are aspiring students at CLAT Possible? A thank you note, whatever it is, can you please?
Firstly, have faith in your preparation. If you do not have faith in your preparation, you will just panic on the day of exam. Have faith in your preparation that you can do it very well. And study, not only study hard but also study smartly. Study only exam relevant topics. I have seen many students wasting time on GK. They are going deep in every matter like they are preparing for UPSC. That is not the case with CLAT. Only studying exam relevant topics will help them crack CLAT easily.
And did you find CLAT Possible useful in your preparation?
Yeah, I think the credit of my IIM goes to CLAT Possible.
Thank you so much, Akash. So this was Akash Jain, All India Topper, CLAT 2015. I hope this interview is very useful to all our future aspirants who wish to crack the CLAT examination. I am Abhishek. I work as VP Academics and Operations at CLAT Possible. With me, of course, I've already introduced Sanjay sir, who's the king of GK and by far the best legal faculty in the country. Akash Jain, congratulations on securing All India Rank 1, and we wish you a great life at law school. Thank you so much. Thank you.